So in this notebook, I'm demonstrating some of the interactive widgets that we can create with, with, within the IPython notebooks. And this was early in the class. We're just teaching the students to manipulate numbers. And so we're doing some conversions. And so the motivation for the problem was, this was shortly after our daughter Claire had hit an out-of-bounds sign while learning how to ski at Alta and had hurt her back. And that same weekend, I ran over our son's foot in our car. And so there was a lot of bickering between the two of them about who had suffered the most. And so this was just setting up a problem where we were given like a weight of the car in pounds, and then they needed to convert that pounds to newtons and figure out what fraction of the weight of the car was going through the tire that I had run over my son's foot with, and then taking my daughter's weight and speed and converting that and the time it took her to stop when she hit the out-of-bounds post into a force. And so what we're doing is that the students were just entering some values here, doing some conversions, and then we set it up as in this interactive widget so that they could vary the car weight, my daughter's speed when she hit the sign, and how long it took my daughter to reach zero velocity. And then this is all just getting displayed as an HTML table in the notebook. And I guess it helps if I run things first. So here's what the students have. So they can look at the force experienced by my daughter as her weight changes, as her speed changes, and as her stopping time changes. And so I think you could imagine a variety of applications where various parameters or selection criteria could be set, and the students could interact with a model or with data and get various forms of graphs, plots, tables, etc. And there are a number of widgets. So these are all sliders because I have integers and floats that are getting passed in. I can have drop-down menus, which I'll demonstrate in a little bit, fields where I can type values in, etc.